Hey guys, I'm Chef Jamison, and this is how I cook. Have you ever heard of Rivulet Artisan Pecan Liqueur? Well, if you haven't, Rivulet is an amazing spirit that gives you the ability to create some beautiful craft cocktails at home, as well as make some amazing food. Rivulet is super versatile in your bar and in your kitchen. And up next, I'm gonna show you how I use Rivulet to make French toast. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to make a brunch classic even better with Rivulet. Before we get to the ingredients, be sure to hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications so that you can get the latest recipes that I release on my channel. Okay guys, here are our ingredients. The star of the show is Rivulet Artisan Pecan Liqueur. We're gonna use this to help flavor our French toast. French toast is essentially egg, milk, in this case, a half a cup of milk. We're gonna use some butter to actually cook the French toast. We've got a little bit of brown sugar, and we've got some powdered sugar for the very end. To make our French toast, we're gonna use this beautiful brown sugar cinnamon swirl bread made by Pepperidge Farm, but the star of this show is gonna be Rivulet. This is gonna give our French toast an amazing flavor. French toast is pretty simple to make. French toast is essentially milk, eggs, and some flavorings, spices, and seasonings to season your French toast batter. So that's what we're gonna put together right now. So I'm gonna start with 1 egg. Next, we're gonna add half a cup of milk. Next, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I didn't mention this earlier in my ingredients list, but I'm gonna put in a little cinnamon. So I'd say about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Last, we're gonna add about 2 ounces, a shot glass worth of Rivulet Artisan Pecan Liqueur, the start of our show. Normally in French toast recipes, they use vanilla extract for their liqueur addition. In this case, we use Rivulet Artisan Pecan Liqueur. You wanna take these ingredients and begin to slowly whisk them together to incorporate them. And that's what we're looking for there. And what we're gonna do is soak our bread slices in this for a little bit, and then we'll brown them in some butter and serve. So I've got 2 slices of that beautiful brown sugar, cinnamon swirl, Pepperidge Farm bread. And we're just gonna put this into our mixture, and we're just gonna let this soak. And what you want to do is turn this over to get some of this egg and milk mixture on both sides. And once this gets nice and soggy, these are ready for us to brown in our skillet. All right, so to brown our French toast, to finish cooking it, I'm going to add to my skillet, this is about a tablespoon of butter. And if you need more butter, depending on the size of your skillet, then just add a little bit more butter. We're gonna melt this. And now we wanna come in and add in our toast, our slices of bread that we've actually let sit here and marinate in this mixture. And all we want to do is move this around. And now that we've got that side brown, we want to take our time here and flip this. That's beautiful. Do the same thing with this other piece. That's beautiful. Turn our heat down a little bit. And that's what you want to see there. You just want to see nice browning on each side of the French toast. You can really smell Rivulet shining here in the dish. One of the fun things we can do here is, because we're using a liqueur, I'm going to actually do a little bit of flambe here. So I'm I'm gonna take some of this a little bit more of our artisan pecan liqueur, and I'm gonna add this to my pan. And then I'm gonna set it on fire. And now we wanna finish this glaze that we've got left in here. So I'm gonna take a little bit more butter, just a little bit more butter. Well, a lot more bit of butter. I'm gonna take some more butter and add to that. And we're gonna remove our French toast and let this finish to make our glaze for our French toast. We've got a little bit more here left, so I'm gonna just add this in. So we've plated our French toast, and now what we want to do is take the last little bit of this beautiful butter and Rivulet combination sauce that was in our pan and use this to drizzle over our French toast. Now we'll take some powdered sugar. We'll take our powdered sugar and dust our French toast. All right, here's the taste test. Oh, you taste Rivulet all the way through the French toast. The flambe at the end is a beautiful touch, and the flavors of the pecan, the flavors of the liqueur mix well with the cinnamon to form this just beautiful combination for French toast. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. Once again, thank you guys for watching my channel. Make sure that you go to your local liquor store and find Rivulet Artisan Pecan Liqueur. It's an amazing addition to your kitchen. I'm gonna finish this French toast, may even have some more Rivulet on the side. And guys, once again, thank you so much. This is amazing.